Hello everybody, welcome to my tutorial. Today I'm going to be talking about Linux basic commands. Especially I'm going to be talking about the navigation bit. My purpose of making this video is to showcase that Linux command could be fun. It all depends on your approach. So that's the reason why I have put in like a couple of few extra efforts into making this really simple. There is a drawing on my left hand side showcasing what I'm going to be doing. So basically I'm not going to tell you about what Linux is. You can do your own research. I'm sorry about that. It's just that I'm trying to keep to time. This is my first video, so I'm really trying to keep to time. So the video on the left shows you a couple of boxes: blue boxes, pink boxes, orange, green, purple, white. So basically it just shows you that folders in Linux, or everything in Linux, most of the stuff in Linux are all folders. And the first command that we're going to be talking about, since we are focusing on navigation command, is pwd. So the pwd, according to my drawing on the left hand side, it sort of tells you, if you're wondering, like if you're within a directory and you're wondering where you are. So if you type in pwd, it sort of tells you where you are. So right now I'm in home, navigation, London, wood green. So the drawing, that's exactly what the drawing is saying. The first bit here, as in the first bit here, that bit is called the root directory, and that's, if you look at the drawing on the left hand side, that's symbolized that bit there. So that's like a folder, because everything in a Linux structure is a folder. And then the next directory after that, that's the navigation directory, right? That represent that there. And the next bit is the London directory, and that represent that bit there. So do you know what? I'm just going to go back there. So if you see on this drawing, it says if you want to move about, which means if you want to move forward, type in CD, and then if you want to move backwards, you type in dot. So that's the reason why that drawing is there. So let's exercise that. So I'm saying I want to move backward, so I'm typing in CD dot. That would take me in theory to London. So let's find that. If I type in pwd, that's that guy there, the smiley guy there, is saying where am I. So let's find out where am I. Pwd. So that tells me that I'm in London. So if I want to, so I'm right here, London. So if I want to navigate to the navigate directory there, right there, so I'm going to type in cd dot again, which means I'm going back more. And then if I want to find out where am I after typing that command, it says here try pwd. So I'm going to be trying pwd. Okay, so it tells me that I'm inside navigate. Okay, that's fantastic. So if I'm wondering, like, okay, so list the content of what is here, as in what is in this navigate directory, I can type in ls. So it tells me that London is in navigate directory. So that's the navigate directory there, and what's inside navigate directory, if you look at this drawing here, is London, exactly what it says, right? So let's follow this guy here. If I want to move forward, so I'm going to type in CD London, so because I'm going forward to London. So this is just exactly the way it is. And if I want to find out what's in London, what is here, what's in London, I type in LS. It tells me Wood Green is in London. So if you notice here, Wood Green is actually in London, the green bit here. To be honest, right, in real life, Wood Green is actually in London. that's I'll leave that for you to think about. Wood Green is actually in London. If you've not visited London, Wood Green is actually in London. It's a nice place. I've been there a couple of times. And then if I want to find out what's in Wood Green, right, or if I want to move forward to like a couple of stuff in Wood Green. So if you navigate to Wood Green here, it says what's in Wood Green here, a couple of stuff. So let's go into Wood Green. Let's find out what's in Wood Green. Let's say I'm looking for Starbucks. I want to go over to Starbucks. Now I'm in Wood Green. So let's say if I said what is in Wood Green, what is here? So it says there I can try LS. So let's try LS. What's in Wood Green? LS. I'm asking you, I don't know what's in Wood Green. What's in Wood? Oh wow, see, have you seen that? So it's telling me that Sport Direct is in Wood Green and Starbucks is in Wood Green. And if you see our illustration here, Starbucks is actually in Wood Green. if you visit Wood Green anytime, if you want to visit Wood Green, and Sport Direct is actually in Wood Green. And if you want to see that right there, you just type in LS. See, magic, fantastic, right? Like I keep saying to you guys, LNS command could be simple. These are like a couple of easy navigation command that you can use. So before I go, I'm just going to run down through what I've said in this video. I spoke about some basic navigation command. CD is for moving forward towards directory. Let's say for example, you are here in the root directory and you want to move forward to navigation directory. So you will type in, I'm just going to show that ls cd dot. So yeah, let's say you're in the navigation directory and then you want to move forward towards you want to move on to London. So you type in cd London, move forward towards London. And if you're in London and you want to check out what's in Wood Green, you type in cd Wood Green. And then if you want to find out what is in Wood Green, then you type in ls. And then if you want to go back, so if you're tired of Wood Green, you're like, oh, I'm tired, I want to go back to London, for example, you can type in cd ... And then if you're wondering like, where am I right now, I'm getting confused, and then you can type in pwd. Okay, right, so that's it for today. Hope you've enjoyed my video. I'm hoping to make some couple of more videos. This is actually my first video. Alright, thank you very much for watching. Enjoy. Be free to comment if you want. Alright, bye.